Okay, today I will explain about this view template. Okay, you can find out the view template here. Okay, so first of all, I can go to choose the architectural and I can make it one wall. Okay, so base constant and top constant should be hard to find out. And here I can draw one wall boundary. And after that, as usual, I can go to choose the floor. And here also I can make it uh, the structural type floor and make it the same. Okay, and I can go back to my door. I can choose my doors like this. Okay, so for example, I did this one. Now I can go to choose the section. Okay, like now when you draw this one, so first of all, you can find out the template is always in none. So you can go to choose to duplicate. So here you can find out architecture plan is available. So you can go to choose the duplicate and here you can name it as you wish, which name you have to apply the template. So I can type ARC layout. Okay, I type ARC layout. It's been architecture layout. So when I apply that one, so you can find out this is my ART the layout. Okay, so see for example, before it's not, now I change the template. Now for example, now I can go back to my section. So you can find out the section is showing here. Section also you can find out the template. The section also is showing now. So again I can go to choose architecture section, go to edit. So I can duplicate it. So ARC section. So this is areas the section I created. Okay. Now this ARC section, so here I have to change some different colors or something. So I can apply this my template. So here I can go to choose the edit. In the edit you can find out the door. In the door you can find out the okay. I can go to choose uh, the framing. Here I can choose the color and can choose the line type. Okay, line. Okay. So when I apply this one, so you can find out it's automatically change this framing. And the same time I can go back, edit, door. Here I can go for the glass. I can choose this one like center. I can make it like orange and apply, apply, apply. So and I can go back to here in plan layout, edit, door. I can go to find out the fan swing. So here I can make it in the center. I can make it light blue. So here you can find out it's become blue. Okay. So on the section also you can find out this is blue. So even you can go to choose in the door. So here elevation, swing elevation, I can make it the dash. I can make it the green or something, any color. So this is a sections template as you wish you can able to create. So now you can find out this one is changed. Okay. So this is a way this view template, it's very helpful to work on our presentation. It's very uh, useful. Okay. So here I did my edit in the arc section, and the same time I can go to choose my level 0. Here also I can choose my view template section. So here I can go back to here again. So here I can make it in the different line and make it the different color. Okay, apply, apply. Okay, now we can find out better way change. So this is a way we can able to create the view template, and we can create our drawings like this. I hope you understand this tutorial. Thank you so